Hello and what's up? In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make beef stew, and it's going to be a very easy and delicious recipe. To get started, I'm going to be boiling my meat until tender. So I'm going to move over to the stove top where there is a pot and then I'm going to add in my meat. To my pot I'm going to be adding in water, and then I'm going to let this boil until the meat is tender. This is a recipe for about 3 people, so this is going to be very fast. Once my meat is ready, I'm going to be adding in some cooking oil. Next, add in a couple of spices. So I'm going to start off by adding some paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, and a little bit of turmeric. Notice that the spices are coating the meat, so I'm going to keep on stirring as the meat cooks. Add in some water. Just a little bit of water. And at this point you can still enjoy your meat. So the next thing is to add in some onions, garlic and ginger. I'm going to cook the onions until soft and the garlic and ginger is fragrant or cooked through. That is about 1 minute. Delish. Add in 2 seasoning cubes. Stir. Tomatoes, tomato paste. Stir in everything. Add in some balsamic vinegar, about a teaspoon, dark soy sauce, a teaspoon also, and some oyster sauce, about half a teaspoon. Mix everything together, and my oh my, this is looking so delicious at this point. Adding the seasoning cubes has added salt to my meat, so I've also added soy sauce and oyster sauce, which contain sodium, so you can minimize the seasoning cubes because you don't want your stew to be very salty. So I'm going to cover and let my tomatoes cook for around 2 minutes until the tomatoes are cooked through. Check on my stew, and this is how it's looking. So I added a little bit of water, about half a cup of water, so that my tomatoes could cook through. So at this point everything is looking delicious and the meat is well cooked and it's tender. I'm going to add in some plain yogurt. You can add cooking cream as well. Mix in, and then I'm going to reduce the flames to low and let this simmer for around 5 minutes until the sauce is nice and thick. Add in some sugar. This will balance out the acidity of the tomatoes. My stew is ready and it's looking absolutely delicious and thick. I love the gravy because it's super delicious. I have to insist because it is delicious. So I hope you try out this amazing beef recipe that you can have with absolutely anything. I'm going to be having mine with some butternut chapatis that I made earlier. You can check out the video in the description box down below. Also, you can check out the ingredients in the right quantity down below. So I hope you'll be trying out this amazing beef recipe that is so delicious and amazing. And I hope to catch you on my next episode because more recipes are coming.